Here I have VIVO V20, and today I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset operation on this device. So to do this, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. For about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.